Hey guys, I'm back. So, as you can see, my hair is looking crazy. And I am sick, so I'm sounding really congested today. But Mama still gotta do her hair, so then the show doesn't stop. So today I'm going to be doing a hair tip on how I'm doing my hair. So today I'm actually going to straighten my hair. So right now I'm just doing a deep conditioning. So I wanted to show you guys how I usually do my process and kind of do like a length check a little bit. I can place my old one in here so you can kind of see it's really old. And my hair actually wasn't that long, so now it's gotten a little bit longer, so I could actually show you a good length check with it just being you know, with the shrinkage and just being freshly washed. So here we go. So all the way down to there. Okay, and the back. Woo, pretty good. Okay, so sorry about the background. It's my baby and his daddy. So today I am using Cream of Nature, the Argan Oil Intense Conditioning Treatment. So I'm just doing a deep condition because I just took my braids out because I went on a cruise a few weeks back. So I am going to deep condition to give some of the bounce back to my hair and some life back to it. Just going to wrap it back around like bantu nuts. Bounce and shine back to it. Just make sure it goes all the way through the ends. As you can see, I'm actually doing a no clip this year. I'm not trimming my hair at all this year. Just leaving it as is, and I actually can see that it's grown a little bit, but I don't know if that's just me because I want to see it grow. But I have not straightened it actually, and did not straighten it at all last year. So this year I am straightening it just to see how long it's grown and the progress is. So the rest of the Cream of Nature, I'm just gonna put it around all my hair. Make sure I got it deeply saturated. I took one of these from the store. If you have a shower cap, if you have a plastic bag, grocery bag, whatever. So in my case, I'm using the grocery bag. I'm just gonna put this right on top. And because I have a lot of hair, big hair on it, I'm just gonna place it over it, and I'm gonna tend to my business. So I'll be back. You guys will see it when I wash it out and begin to blow dry it. So see you in a minute. So this is my hair after, I'm not gonna lie, this is after a couple hours. I had a lot of things to do, so this is it. I had to go back and damp, you know, put it in the sink and wet it. My kids are now asleep, so my Christmas tree is up, like stuff like that. So I'm about to blow dry it, so be right back. So here is just the bottom piece with it being blown out. And I'm gonna do the rest of all this. Give me just 1 second. So here is the back section blown out. Now I have this side and this side to do. So I'll let y'all see how long it takes me. I'll let y'all see what I do. No, I did not put any oil in my hair. I don't put the oil in until after it's straightened. Okay guys, this is the finished blown out product. I got lazy towards the end and just whatever with it. So now I am about to straighten it. This process goes by pretty fast. So here is the blown product. Oh, this hair, it's so much. Let me know what y'all think. If you have any questions, want to know anything else. So I am going to be trying out this Garnier Fructis style flat iron perfector straightening mist. So here is the product. I'm gonna try it and see how it goes. I like Garnier, so we'll see how it goes. It says that you spray and mist evenly on dry hair and immediately flat iron. For best results, use the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine system of shampoos and conditioners. So I didn't use all that. I just did this. So let's see how this goes. So far, so good. So I'm gonna do the rest and I'll be right back. It is 12:27. Should be done in another 2 hours, maybe an hour and a half. Okay, so here is finally, it is 1:20. So here's the finished straightening. And that, because I really like mine to be, it's got volume to it, let's just say that. So right now it still has some volume to it. And I like when it's really straight, like kind of like have a perm, but with a little bit of volume. So I just add coconut oil to it to moisturize it and make it a little bit straighter. Simple coconut oil. It's brand new, never opened. See what you can get when you don't perm it up. And it looks like I have a whole wig, frontal, whatever you want to call it. And that is it for me. There's my hair. Good night.